Today, I'm going to show you how to change the address on a QuickBooks invoice. There are two addresses you may need to update: your company address or the customer's address. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. To update your company address, go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. Then select Account and Settings. From the left side menu, click Company. Find the Address section and click the pencil icon to edit it. Update the street address, city, state, zip code, and country. Once everything looks correct, click Save, then click Done. This updates the company address that appears on your invoices. Now, if you need to update a customer's address, go to the left side menu and click Sales. Then select Customers. Find the customer you want to update and open their profile. Click Edit. Update the customer's billing or shipping address. Then click Save. To check the change, open an existing invoice or create a new invoice for that customer. The updated company address or customer address should now appear on the invoice. And that's how to change the address on a QuickBooks invoice in 2026.